Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that's perfect for anyone who values utility and convenience in their everyday carry. We found this compact folding razor knife online, and you can check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Introducing the Gerber EAB Lite Pocket Razor Knife with Money Clip. This innovative tool combines a sharp utility blade with a sleek design and a money clip feature, making it a versatile option for everyday use. If you're someone who appreciates functional gear that doesn't take up too much space, then this could be the perfect addition to your collection. Let's take a closer look at some of its standout features. First off, the EAB Lite is designed with durability in mind. It houses an easily replaceable contractor-grade utility razor blade, ensuring that you'll always have a sharp edge when you need it. The secure liner lock mechanism keeps the blade in place during use, giving you peace of mind that your fingers are safe while you work. The design of the EAB Lite is another highlight. With a slim profile, it slips easily into your pocket without adding unnecessary bulk. The handle doubles as a money clip, which is an ingenious feature for anyone who prefers to minimize what they carry. It's not just a knife, it's a multifunctional tool that can serve various purposes. Think of it as a box cutter, paper cutter, letter opener, and package opener, all rolled into one. Now, who is this product suitable for? The Gerber EAB Lite is perfect for a wide range of individuals, from hunters and tradesmen to everyday carry enthusiasts. If you often find yourself in situations where you need a reliable cutting tool, this knife will meet your needs. It's also a great addition to anyone's camping essentials or emergency kits, ensuring that you're always prepared for anything that comes your way. Speaking of practical use cases, let's explore a few scenarios where the EAB Lite excels. Imagine you're out camping and need to open various packages or cut rope for your tent setup. The compact size of this knife makes it easy to access, and its razor-sharp blade will get the job done efficiently. Or perhaps you're on the job site and need a quick way to open boxes or cut materials. The Gerber EAB Lite can handle those tasks with ease, allowing you to focus on your work without fumbling for a bulky tool. Furthermore, if you're a person who travels frequently or enjoys outdoor activities, this knife offers convenience in a lightweight package. Weighing just 2.2 ounces, it won't weigh you down and can easily fit into your pocket or bag. Whether you're hiking, fishing, or simply running errands, having the EAB Lite handy could save you time and effort. One of the reassuring aspects of purchasing Gerber products is their commitment to quality. The EAB Lite comes with a limited lifetime warranty, ensuring that you get a reliable tool that's built to last. This speaks volumes about the brand's confidence in their craftsmanship and the quality of materials used in their products. In summary, the Gerber EAB Lite Pocket Razor Knife with Money Clip is a compact, versatile, and durable tool that is ideal for anyone seeking an efficient everyday carry solution. Its innovative design and practical features make it suitable for a variety of